Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, click on your profile icon on the top right, then go to pages, select the page you want to change the name of, and then just switch. So once you're on here, click on your profile icon again on the top right, and scroll right down to the bottom until you come to settings and privacy, and select that. Then select settings. Once you're on here, scroll down to audience and visibility, and you should see page setup. So just select that. Then at the top it should say name, and it'll give you the option to view. So just select view. And this will give you the option to change the name. So it'll just let you know if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So just type in whatever name you want to change it to, then select review change. And again, this will let you know our review may take up to 3 days and require additional information. If your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 60 days. During this time, we may also let people who follow your page know that the name has been updated. Then all you need to do is enter in your Facebook password and select Save Changes. And that's how you can change your Facebook page name. Thanks for watching.